Hello students, now I am going to discuss about alkene. From this video you can learn what is alkene and general formula of alkene, functional group and alkene molecular formula, structural formula and their displayed formula. Let's move. General formula of alkane is CnH twice n. That means Cn means carbon number and hydrogen will be twice number of carbon, double of carbon. Functional group of alkene, carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond. I mean, if an hydrocarbon have carbon carbon double bond, that homologous series will be alkene. Alkene must have at least one carbon carbon double bond. General formula CnH twice n value will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So if you write first n equal to, so as CnH twice n, so molecular formula will be n value is 2, C2 H2 times 2, 4. The first member of alkene will be C2H4. This is the ethene. This is ethene. If you put n equal to in general formula, you will get C2H4. So this name will be ethene, 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 and its structural formula will be CH2 double bond CH2 or CH2 CH2. This how you write a structural formula? You 2 carbon you give, then you give 1 double bond here. This carbon 1 to 2 hydrogen needed, CH2, this needed CH2, 2 hydrogen. How you write displayed formula? So as C2H4, this is ethene, so you write here 2 carbon first you write, then as it is alkene, so you will get double bond here. Then you will write hydrogen atom. You know carbon valence is 4, so right hand carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This hydrogen. Now it's a left hand carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the displayed formula for ethene, 2 carbon C2H4. Molecular formula C2H4. Structural formula CH2 or CH2 double bond CH2, and this is the displayed formula. Displayed formula means you will show all bonds present in molecule. Now if you keep n equal 3, general formula you know alkene CnH twice n. So if you keep n equal 3, C3 is 2 times 3, 6. C3H6 is the molecular formula of propene. 3 carbon containing alkene is propene. So this is the CH3, CH double bond CH2. This is the structural formula of propene. Or you can write CH3, CH, CH2. This propene. How you write this structural formula? You get 3 carbon, C, C, C. As it is alkene, you write 1 double bond here. Or you can write left hand side double bond, no problem. So this carbon needed 1, 2, 2 hydrogen needed to write the structural formula, and middle carbon contains 1, 2, 3, so 1 hydrogen needed. For for fulfill carbon valency 4. Left hand carbon has only one bond, so 3 hydrogen needed. So CH3, CH, double bond CH2. This is the structural formula of propene, and this is the displayed formula of propene. So you see how you write displayed formula of propene. First you write 3 carbon, as it is alkene, so you will give a double bond. If I give double bond here, so right carbon need 1 2 bond present, so 2 hydrogen we need to write, 2 hydrogen, and left hand middle carbon 1 2 3 valency fulfill, so 1 hydrogen needed to become 4, and left hand carbon 1 2 3 4. So this is the displayed formula of propene. Now if you, as alkene general formula you know, CnH twice N, that means hydrogen number will be twice number of carbon. If you put N equal 4, C4, N value is 4, C4 twice N, 2 to the 4, 8, C4H8. This 4 carbon containing alkene will be butene. So butene 4 carbon, 1 2 1 2 3 4 carbon butene. Here double bond, here number from right hand side, so this name will be 1 butene or but1n. Why 1 butene or but1n? Because double bond contains number 1 carbon. If you count from left hand side, this is 3 butene, but when you name you will count double bond a smaller number. If you count from right hand side, double bond will be 1 is the smaller number, so this name will be 1 butene or but1n. If you write but1n displayed formula, this is the 1 2 3 4. Number 1 carbon is contains double bond, so this carbon 1 2 3 4, 2 hydrogen needed. Left carbon 1 2 3, 1 hydrogen needed to become 4. Third number carbon 1 2 3, so 1 hydrogen will be here, this, and left hand side carbon 1, so 3 hydrogen needed. Now you see 1 2 3 4, C4 H, if you count 3 5 6 7 8, C4H8. This is the displayed formula of 1 butene or but1n. So when you naming, you will count from right hand side, because right hand side contains double bond, number 1 carbon contains double bond. If you count from left side, 2 double bond contains number 3 carbon. You will count double bond from those side when you count a small number. So you count here from right hand side, this will be a small number. Then if you give now 1 2 3 4, or you can write from right hand side 1 2 3 4. If you count from left hand side, so double bond contains number, double bond is added to second carbon. If you count from right hand side also 1 2, double bond is with number 2 carbon, so this name will be 2 butene or but2n. In this regard, you can count from left hand side or right hand side. Double bond contain number second carbon. This is the displayed formula of butene. Butene 1 2 3 4, C4. So 1 1 2, you give double bond here, then number 1 carbon 1 2 3 4, valency 4 fulfill. Second carbon 1 2 3, so 1 hydrogen needed, and number 3 carbon 1 2 3 4, 1 hydrogen needed, and 4 carbon only 1 bond present, so 3 hydrogen needed to become carbon valency 4. This is the displayed formula of 2-butene or butene. This is the structural formula of 2-butene or butene, and this is the displayed formula for 2-butene or butene. Now this is general formula alkene, you know, CnH twice N. So if you put N value is 5, that means carbon will be 5, C5, H hydrogen will be twice times 5, means 5 times 2, 10. So this is pentene. 2 carbon containing alkene, ethene, 3 carbon containing propene, 4 carbon containing butene, 5 carbon pentene. Now you see, this is 1 2 3 4 5. As double bond contains number 1 carbon, so this name will be 1-pentene or pent-1N, and second carbon contains 1 2 3 4 5. Here double bond contain number 2 carbon, so this name will be pent-2N or 2-pentene, 2-pentene or pent-2N. This is the pent-1N structural formula, and this is pent-2N or 2-pent-2N structural formula. Now this is the displayed formula. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Number 1 carbon contain carbon-carbon double bond, that's why this is 1-pentene or pent-1N. If you count from right hand side, 2 3 4, number 4 carbon contain double bond, this will be 4-pentene. 1 is the smaller number. When you count double bond, you always count a smaller number. And here 1 hydrogen, so this 1 2 3 4 5, 2-pentene, because number 2 carbon contains carbon-carbon double bond. This name will be 2-pentene or pent-2N, but if you count from left hand side 1 2 3, this will be 3-pentene, 3-pentene or pent-3N, but you count always a smaller number, so this will be 2-pentene or pent-2N. This is the structural formula of pent-1N, this is the structural formula of pent-2N, and this is the displayed formula of pent-1N, and this is the displayed formula of pent-2N. Thank you, dear students.